is the planes marble run, and Aria made most of it, and we the other the other the other ones didn't do much. Mostly me because I was busy worrying. Mostly Jimmy because he's just playing really. So and I was trying to get things all stuck together. And a big thank you to Mrs. Shooter. Yesterday, last week we were making marble runs, and we all were all of us were doing hard work, and Aria did did mostly all of it, and she did lots and lots and lots of hot gluing, and Mrs. Morgan was very helpful, so was Mrs. Suter, and Benjamin, and the turn, and Benjamin was here. Last week we were making these marble and all of us made them, and for the first time Lucas wasn't here, so he missed out on one, but then on the second day he came.
When it came up and say this
Too noisy. We last week we made a marble run, and all of us made one. Only the people that were absent, they didn't make them. And okay, I think that was...
You finished?
Right, we've got 10 minutes before we shoot.
All of us made these marble runs, and we had to make, and I thought it would be a good experience. So the teachers told us to make them, and then we all made one. And the bikes ones, I like the bike ones most because this was the longest really, but first when they tested it, it was always stuck. But their one is mostly the same as ours, so yeah.